Hello everybody, this is Steve with RF Technology. In this video I will be going over the channels panel and how to program your Eclipse 2 base station. Moving on to the channels tab, we have the repeater is capable of 256 channels. Currently I have two channels, channel 0 and channel 1. Clicking in the name field you can change the name of the base station. Clicking in the receive frequency you can change the receive frequency, and the transmit frequency will be done the same way also. In the overview screen, it shows what we're currently set for: analog and digital, 12.5K, CTCSS of 123.0. The FM/P25 tab, we can have 25 or 12.5K bandwidth, analog only, P25 only, or mixed mode if you have the P25 license along with the analog. The subaudible field will only show up if in the signal map there is a tone decoder, encoder in the field. You can select your CTCSS tone. You can also select your digital coded squelch. Mute RSSI. This uses a combination of the RSSI value and the carrier to noise ratio, and it needs both of them before we'll unmute the receiver. You can disable one or the other of the fields by disabling the carrier to noise ratio, changing this value to 0, and it will rely only on RSSI, or setting the RSSI value to a level far lower than the noise field of the floor of the repeater, and will rely only on the carrier to noise ratio. The C4FM tab is used for testing and should be left at no pattern. In the P25 mode, clicking the Any NAC button will make the repeater unsquelch or open with any NAC code. Unticking it, you can enter the NAC code you desire, such as 7F. F7F will cause the transmitter to set its NAC code based on the received NAC code, or you can any other NAC code that you desire in there. On the transmit side, you get your overview screen. In the FM and P25 tab, you have your deviation, hang time of the repeater, transmit time limit of 3 minutes, and you have your protocol, FM, which is analog, and P25. Subaudible tone, again, will only show up if it's in the signal map screen. CTCSS tone of 123.0, and we have anywhere from none to multiple different types of reverse bursts. Maximum deviation and a no tone period. You can also select digital coded squelch here. CWID will also only show up if it's in the signal screen. This is the field where you put in your FCC call sign. You can use whatever frequency you want. I like 1000 Hertz. Morse code speed of 20 words per minute, and 18,000 seconds, which is 30 minutes between IDs. P25, same as the receiver, the NAC code, any NAC ticked, it'll transmit any NAC code that comes in. And that's how you program the Eclipse 2 base station. Thank you.